What's up guys, today I will unbox and review the Sony SRS X11 Bluetooth speaker, which is actually the smallest speaker in the Sony's product line. This is one of the few compact speakers which are really pocket sized, maybe only the Anker Soundcore Nano, which has a smaller footprint. This compact size comes in very handy when you carry the speaker around, however the question is that is it powerful enough for everyday usage? As you can see, it comes in a transparent box with a handy silicone strap and a micro USB cable included. There are several papers and guides in the box. This is the speaker, it is the white version, however it is available in 5 different colors. It is worth to mention that the X11 is not a budget device. For its price you can even find larger devices. The speaker has a cube-like shape with rounded edges and feels really solid in your hand. The front and the 2 side panels got a metal speaker grill, while the top and the back of the speaker is covered by a matte finished rubberized plastic. The design is modern and minimalist, and the look of the speaker is much more interesting than the look of the most competitors. You can find something remarkable on each side of the speaker. The top edge houses 4 control buttons. Here are the power, the phone and the volume up and down buttons. Also the NFC chip is located here, which is a nice addition and it is still uncommon in this category. On the back of the speaker you can find the add button, a pinhole for resetting the speaker, the audio input and the charging port. The ports are not covered and the speaker is not water protected, which is a quite pity. Nowadays I think this is a basic requirement for an outdoor speaker. The included plastic strap can be used to hang the speaker somewhere or to attach it to your bag. It is nice that Sony included this strap, however the solutions of the competitors like the carabiner of the Clip 3 or the cord of the Rui Roll 2 is more versatile and useful. At the bottom you can find 3 LEDs, the left-right indicators and the Bluetooth LED. The X11 got a built-in microphone in the bottom right corner of the front panel, so you can use it as a speakerphone to answer phone calls. In my test, when I played various types of songs on the speaker at 70% volume, I measured 9 hours 30 minutes playtime, and after that the battery felt under a certain level and the speaker started to reduce the volume level to around 50% and could play additional 1 hour 30 minutes at this limited volume. Repeating the same test at maximum volume, the speaker could play for 3 hours 50 minutes before starting to limit the volume level. This battery life is pretty good, it is above the average in this category. The X11 is equipped with an audio jack input port, so it can be connected also via a cable. In my outdoor test I measured around 50 feet Bluetooth range, which is a quite good range, likely you will not have connectivity problems with the speaker. It is a nice extra that you can connect 2 units together via Bluetooth for an amplified sound. You can also change if you want the speakers to operate in mono or stereo mode. One disadvantage of the X11 that it does not have any music control capability, which means you cannot even pause-play a song with it, you can only adjust the volume level. It is a pity that Sony omitted this important feature, because this easily can be a deal breaker for many people. Despite its small size, the X11 can be surprisingly loud, however its highs getting overpowered around above 50-60% volume level and its sound becomes too harsh, not pleasant to listen to. The biggest problem with the speaker that its bass is very weak and the deeper lows are completely missing. Of course you cannot have unrealistic expectations from such a small speaker, however comparing it even to the similarly sized Anker Soundcore Mini, the difference is huge. The Mini has much deeper lows and richer sound. You can check my sound comparison video with the JBL Go 2 here. Overall, I really like the stylish look and the compact size of the X11. It is very portable, has a decent battery life and Bluetooth range. Also, the built-in NFC chip is a nice addition and it is great that you can connect 2 devices together. However, I think completely omitting the music control features and the missing water protection was a mistake. Nowadays these are quite basic functionalities which I provided by the majority of the competitors. However, my biggest problem with the speaker, the missing lows and the weak bass. Its sound profile is so flat that I cannot really recommend it. I think there are better options on the market even in this compact size. However, let me know in the comment section what do you think about the speaker. So this was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!